gets ko na kung bakit yung mga mayayaman, they don't help poor people become rich like them. Akala mo ayaw nila, but the truth is they actually try. And I've been on both sides. And when I started doing well for myself, people came to me, family, friends. Bro, how did you do it? How are you living like that? What should I do to earn more like you? So I told them yung step-by-step process, walang kulang, no? Lahat na, how to do it, what to do, when and where to do it. And here comes yung excuses. Bro, wala akong oras, I don't have experience, I don't think I can do it, ang hirap naman. Isip ko, bro, you're literally given the roadmap and you are still complaining. Ganun pala yun. It's not that successful people don't help. It's that most people don't follow through. And if someone rich reaches out first, sasabihin, scam yan, too good to be true yan, bebentahan ka lang yan. So dun ko na-realize, if you really want to change your life, you're someone poor na gustong yumaman, you want to succeed, you want to be wealthy, doon ko na-realize na ikaw pala dapat yung unang lumapit. Find someone who's already where you want to be. You should ask questions to that person. You should learn from that person. You should literally immerse yourself with that person. Because the difference is not the opportunity, it's the action you take.